Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Are you ready to become a VLOOKUP virtuoso? Let's dive into how you can use the VLOOKUP function to find data in a table quickly and easily. Scene script. Imagine you have a table full of data and you need to find specific information. VLOOKUP is your go-to function. First, type in $VLOOKUP followed by an open parenthesis. Now, let's break down the parameters. lookup_value. This is the value you want to search for. Table_array, the range of cells that contains the data. Call_index_num, the column number in the table_array from which to retrieve the value. Optional, use false to find an exact match or true for an approximate match. Let's say we want to find the price of an item with the code A1. We'll set A1 as our lookup_value. Select our table_array. Enter the column index where the prices are and choose false for an exact match. And there you have it. The price pops up like magic. Congratulations, you've just mastered VLOOKUP. With this function, you're well on your way to becoming an Excel wizard. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.